Yo, what's going on guys? It's me Optipy. Welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys all of CEEDAY's sound effects. If we break 25 likes, I will do a part 2. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Hello, motherfucker.
Fuck! 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 Oh!
Boy!
Bitch!
360 OOGA BOOGA BOOGA! Come here, boy!
We're rich! Diamond! Ah! Fuck off!
Finish him!
Glug, 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 glug.
What the fucking shout you down the mic for? Playing your fucking mouth, mate. I'm a grown man. You sent me a message first, yeah? I live in Smethwick, Birmingham. If you want the fucking brawl, come down Smethwick, ask for Danny G. I'll come out of my house and I'll break your fucking legs, you little prick. Now what do you say? Now what do you fucking say? Shut up, rip your fucking voice box out your phone, son. Come Birmingham and I'll fuck you up. Come Birmingham now and I'll fuck you up. I've told you where I live. You want to know where I live? I live in fucking Smethwick. Now come and I'll kill you. What? I fucking what?
Excuse.
No, shut up, you dickhead. Now, fuck off. Don't send me another message. Fuck off. You little
Hey, bitch, what's up, bitch? Suck my dick, bitch.
Stop right there, criminal scum! Nobody breaks the law on my watch! I'm confiscating your stolen goods. Now pay your fine, or it's off to jail.